because I think every organization can sort of look at their business processes and find some way of determining better efficiencies and a better way of doing business, and that's exactly what we're doing at HSI.
I think to build on something that Shiva said is you can't let the overwhelming amount of data that you have create fear on like where do I start, or know that there are these huge national problems that we need to solve. Certainly at the VA we want to try to help cure cancer and improve the lives of veterans in mental health and things like that. But you can't get fearful about, oh, there's so much data, it's all over the place, I don't know where to start. Sometimes you just got to start with small things and build on that success. Also, don't be afraid that the data is bad, because the more you analyze it, the more you'll realize where you have your gaps in the data. One of the just very, very tiny thing that we've done in our organization with Tableau recently is around facilities. So the facilities function of IT falls under me, and just using, I know I got bad data, but we want to visualize that data to see where we have space across the country, and to allow at a quick glance for our managers to be able to see as we're hiring, here's where we have space available, so that they can move on. So that's an entryway into, okay, great, I'm using it for this little tiny thing that is not solving this national problem, but how do I build upon that success to get to a further place?
And I don't profess to be an IT person, I'm a law enforcement person, but I think the quote is to not eat the elephant all in one bite, right? So
that's a technical term.
Technical term. So I think with that, that's a very, very fair point, and I think for us, it is a little bit intimidating and scary to try to find an entry point into looking at a problem.